Hey everybody! Today we are going to fix the Nvidia app error so that your drivers and GeForce experience work properly. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can press Windows plus I for that, and in this pop-up right here, type in services.msc and hit enter. And once you hit enter, you can find the services Nvidia. So type in select one, type in N in your keyboard and go to the section and find these right here: Nvidia Display Container LS, Nvidia Framework SDK Service, and Nvidia Local System Container. So find this up and you can right click on each of those, right click on it, select the option restart. Same goes for framework as well. Right click on it and select the option of restart. And for local system as well, right click on it and select the option of restart. And then once you do so, you can try opening up the Nvidia application again. Apart from that, you can run the GeForce experience as an administrator. So you can look out for your GeForce experience shortcut here, or you can directly search for GeForce, this one right here, and right click on it, select the option of run as administrator and do so. If it opens, you can also right click on it and go to the properties option from here and just go over and set the compatibility and run the program as an administrator. Apart from that, you can just go over and delete the Nvidia cache. Hit Windows plus I for that, and then just go over and type in program data. So type in %program data and hit % and hit enter. Let me just show you. So type in program %data, and that should open up this windows right here. Open the Nvidia Corporation from here, scroll down, and this one right here, Nvidia Corporation, and just go over and delete all of the contents inside here and restart your PC and open up the Nvidia application once again. Apart from that, you can update or reinstall the Nvidia drivers. Hit Windows plus X, go over to Device Manager and hit enter, and find the option of display adapters from here. And once you find display adapter, expand it up, and you can just go over and right click on your GPU, and then just go over and select this option called Install Device, and check the deleted driver software for this device and install it. And you can reboot your PC and try the Nvidia application once again. Apart from that, that's it. You can try updating your Windows, but these solutions should probably work for you. So try it out and let us know in the comments. And do not forget to give this video a like if it was helpful, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.